Hey there, Alex Kidman here, and back when I reviewed the GoPro Hero 12 Black and, in fact, the Hero 11, I made the comment that I wasn't exactly the target market. I don't go jumping out of planes, I don't go abseiling, I don't surf, for example. I don't do a lot of kind of extreme things or things that would really test the endurance of these particular cameras. I kind of had to take that for granted. But today, as part of a completely separate media event, nothing to do with GoPro, I had the opportunity to do some snorkeling and diving on the Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia. Lovely, lovely part of the world if you hadn't been, and I had not been before. And it struck me, hey, if I take the GoPro, I can take that with me and at least kind of just check its water durability while I do a bit of snorkeling. So that's what I did. Now, turns out, spoiler, this is fine. You probably knew that already because, let's face it, there's about 1 billion surfing videos and people doing all sorts of crazy things to GoPro videos out there. But it was nice to kind of finally be able to check out how well it shot and what I thought of it, and to prove ultimately that I'm really, really bad at snorkeling. Watch on. Let's jump in some water. I also seem to be supremely good at getting water into my snorkel.
Yes, probably. Great Barrier Reef. The tunnel now, 127 on the hill. Okay, it's just been still, really. I am.